quality, the best way to define it is ISO 9001. And all of our products are manufactured to those standards, meaning they are above a lot of other of our competitors' fittings.
Products coming from an ISO 9001 facility ensures the customer that they're getting the highest quality part from the standardization of processes, and know that they're going to get the same quality part every time they go to the store and buy a part.
You know, in my career I've been in several facilities that have been ISO certified and worked around a lot of shops and environments. But the unique part about Viega is the opportunity to take the products that we've designed and then bring them into an ISO factory where we get to manufacture them, so that we know that the product that we're designing and the product that we're manufacturing are the same product every day.
We do what we say we do, and we make sure that we put quality into every fitting we ship out.
Our facility is totally ISO 9001 certified, so every aspect of that, from our production to our quality standards to the smallest detail we have, and not everybody can say that.